Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, western Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Foley, Lillian, Alberta, Esvanor, Seminole, Barrow Park, Beulah, Turnile, Gateswood, Cantonment, Bay Springs, McKinnon, Ramsey Beach, and Mifflin. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida.